For the first time, Volkswagen chose the Successor that was never built. The Phaeton Successor remained an exclusive one-off to allow the brand to focus on its electric mobility offensive. The drivable one-off Phaeton D2 model was preceded by an internal selection process to choose from 4 different concepts. The near series prototype, which was based on the modular longitudinal matrix, MLB, was then built for the final decision by the supervisory board. However, since all energies were focused on aligning Volkswagen for electric mobility, it was decided not to proceed with the luxury saloon.